Hello everyone, welcome all to English. So today we will learn vocabulary and usage. Today we will discuss about antonym. Antonym is a word that has the exact opposite meaning of another word. Here we have some words and also there are some options from which we have to choose the right one. Like negligence. Negligence means failure to take proper care over something. And here there are four options, that is diligence, integrity, honesty, and meticulousness. So first we have to know the meaning of these words. The meaning of diligence is a careful and persistent work or effort. The meaning of integrity is the quantity of being honest and having strong moral principle. Honesty, the quality of being honest. Meticulousness, that is showing great attention to detail. So by knowing all this definition, now we have to choose what is the antonym of negligence. Obviously it is meticulousness. Then the second word, that is instantly, which means at once or and again. Here there are four options, that is repeatedly, lately, slowly, and suddenly. Repeatedly means over and over again or constantly. Lately, that is recently, not long ago. Slowly, that is at a slow speed, not quickly. Suddenly, that is quickly and unexpectedly. So here the opposite word of instantly would be slowly. The third word is obviously, which means in the way that is easily perceived or understood clearly. And here the four options are obscurely, surely, certainly, and roughly. Obscurely means not clear, surely means without any doubt, certainly means used to emphasize the speaker's belief that what is said is true. Roughly means in a manner lacking refinement and precision. So here the opposite word of obviously would be obscurely. Then we'll come to the fourth word, that is extraordinary, which means very unusual or remarkable. And the four options are exceptional, unusual, dull, and plain. Exceptional means unusual, that is not typical. Unusual means not habitually. Dull means lacking interest or excitement. Plain, that is not decorated. Simple or basic in character. So here the antonym of extraordinary would be plain. Then we'll come to the fifth word, which is the final word for today's class, that is hastily, which means with excessive speed or urgency. And the four options are deliberately, desperately, leisurely, and quietly. Deliberately means consciously and intentionally. Desperately means in a way that shows despair. Leisurely means unhurried or relaxed, and quietly means in a quiet manner. So here we'll see that the antonym would be leisurely. So for more videos, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.